Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome to the channel of relaxed, chilled plant content where we talk about the good, the bad, the ugly, the dying, and the thriving plants in our collection, and we try to learn, how to grow them, how to propagate them, how to, maybe not kill every plant we bring into the house. And last week, was it? I gave, for the first time this season, some plant fertilizer to my plants. And some cool stuff has happened, so I'm going to take you around and show you what's popping off, what's planting, what's growing. All right, guys. Yeah. Okay, guys. So the first thing I want to show you, that's my Hoya australis, growing wonderfully all the way up. And do you see anything? Do you notice anything on this guy? I didn't either at first, obviously. But we got a flower. I've never had a lipstick plant flower for me. This is a twisted lipstick plant. And look at it, we have a flower. I'm so excited. It is so cool looking. It's like solid on the inside. It's weird, but it is cool. I don't see any other flowers, but it is growing wonderfully. I don't see any other flowers up there, or I didn't. I still don't. But look at her! How cute is that? Sorry, I'm just like really excited. I've seen other people have lipstick plants bloom. I've never seen a twisted lipstick plant bloom. And I sure as hell have never cared for a twisted lipstick plant that has bloomed before. Ooh, there we go. So, yeah. Alright, I'll bring you to the rest of the stuff that's going on. Alrighty. Alright, guys, so we have the Hoyas. They're all growing wonderfully. We haven't killed a Hoya since, for at least like the past month. At least. Sorry the light is like that, but we have some stuff rooting up, all that. But I wanted to show you the Hoya multiflora is putting out a whole bunch of flowers. Like, we're gonna have to rotate this girl so we could see those pretty flowers. I know that these guys are, they're called a multiflora because they they make flowers multiple times, and some people have them flowering throughout the year, so that would be really cool. So yeah, but a real quick peek of everything else. Growing wonderfully. Yep. Alright, so cut to the next spot. Alright, guys. So now I'm just going to show you these guys. They're growing very nicely. Finally, this guy has put out a new little leaf. It's been like at least a month. And the plant looked like it's dying. Still doesn't look great, but at least we got a new leaf. So I guess it's happy. This guy has finally put out some new growth. You can see on the top right there. These guys are still in the nursery pots, so maybe that's kind of why they were stunted in their growth. The Pagoda lipstick plant is growing wild. A whole bunch of new leaves popping off everywhere. The Adansonii also is starting to trail. All of this is like within the week. All of that. My Scindapsus exotica has put out a whole bunch of new leaves. I mean, look at how large that leaf is. It's huge. Beautiful. My Micans had put out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 new leaves. The neighbors. Sorry. Yeah, so she's doing well. These guys are doing well. This guy finally looks like a plant again. All the leaves have unfurled. We got this. They're doing well. They're doing well. These guys are not dead. Yay! And look at this, guys. Look at this plant. I was almost positive I was going to have to throw this plant out. I gave it fertilizer last week and bam, threw out a leaf. Another one is coming out. And the funniest thing is, I bought another one because I was positive I was going to kill that other one. And I didn't. But while we're over here, look at the flowers on the oxalis. We got the purple from the purple oxalis and a whole bunch of white from the green oxalises. Beautiful, beautiful. Everything else is looking good. We have like a mess, but what else is new? We have some new growth on the Dischidia. I thought that plant was going to die, and it hasn't. This guy is putting out new flowers, so that is cool. I'm excited for the new round of floral scented flowers to come out. Another thing that's cool is we have a new leaf on the peperomia watermelon. I really thought this was just going to be a one-leaf plant, and so I went and bought another one, but she's living. She's pushing out babies. So yeah, we got two of those now. I guess we'll figure it out. These guys are doing really well. My string of spades is doing really well. I think I can give her a haircut soon, propagate her, and share her. The hearts are doing well. The lace vine is doing really well. I mean, that looks the best she's ever looked. Yeah. Zebra plant is coming in nice and bushy, like she should. And yeah, just everybody's doing really well. So this is just a quick little 1 week after the first fertilizing of the season. And yeah, we will continue to share what they look like each week and talk about plants and all that fun jazzy stuff. I do want to put these begonias in like a fish tank type terrarium type of thing. I think that'd look kind of cool. They're kind of getting big though, so I don't really know. I need help on that. I need tips. Alrighty guys, so until next time, relax, plant, and peace out.